Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gravy. First, after roasting your meat, carefully pour the pan drippings into a heatproof container. Allow the fat to separate and rise to the top. Skim off and discard most of the fat, leaving about 2 tablespoons of the flavorful drippings in the roasting pan. This concentrated base is essential for a truly rich gravy. Next, place the pan over medium heat and add 1/2 cup of liquid, such as broth or wine, to deglaze it, scraping up any brown bits. Now, let's create the roux, which is key for thickening. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour directly into the hot pan drippings. Immediately begin whisking vigorously to combine the flour and fat, forming a smooth paste. Continue to cook this mixture over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes, whisking constantly. You'll notice it gradually turns a light golden brown, developing a nutty aroma. This cooked flour and fat mixture is the foundation for a perfectly smooth and rich gravy. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in 2 cups of hot broth or stock, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. The hot liquid helps the roux dissolve smoothly. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer over medium heat, continuing to whisk frequently. As it simmers, the gravy will begin to thicken. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired consistency. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Finally, let's perfect the flavor. Season your gravy with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. You can also stir in a pinch of dried herbs like thyme or sage, or some fresh chopped parsley for extra brightness. For an extra smooth, restaurant-quality gravy, strain it through a fine mesh sieve before serving. This removes any small lumps or bits of herbs, ensuring a silky texture. Serve your homemade gravy warm over mashed potatoes, turkey, or any roasted meat. Don't forget to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.